Imagine a world where the simple act of walking powers entire cities, where deliveries are made by drones, and where even your laptop fits in a pair of AR glasses. These futuristic technologies aren't just dreams, they're happening right now. In this video, we'll take you through 5 groundbreaking projects that are shaping the future. Stick with us as we explore how innovation is transforming the world as we know it. The Spacetop AR Laptop redefines how we interact with technology by replacing a traditional screen with AR glasses. Instead of a physical display, the X-Real's AR2 Ultras glasses project a virtual screen of up to 100 inches, giving users an immersive workspace anywhere they go. This cutting-edge device is designed for those who want a futuristic computing experience. At $1,900, Spacetop is geared toward early adopters, but its potential to revolutionize mobile computing is hard to ignore. It's built around web-based applications, similar to a Chromebook, allowing you to open browser windows, check emails, and work on documents, all within the AR environment. The head tracking technology enhances usability, letting you move your head to interact with different parts of the virtual display. It also adjusts seamlessly to your surroundings, whether you're in a confined space or on the move. Though the field of view is narrower than a traditional screen, it quickly feels intuitive with a little adjustment. Spacetop isn't just another laptop, it's a glimpse into the future of augmented reality computing. For those ready to embrace the next wave of innovation, it's an exciting first step. In today's fast-paced world, speed and convenience have become essential, especially when it comes to online shopping and deliveries. Customers now expect to receive their purchases in a matter of hours, not days. That's where the Zipline P2 Drone comes in, designed to provide rapid and efficient delivery of crucial supplies to those in need. The Zipline P2 Drone can fly at speeds of up to 70 miles per hour, ensuring swift deliveries. It can carry loads of up to 5 pounds and cover distances of up to 100 kilometers in a single trip, making it ideal for delivering life-saving medical supplies such as blood, vaccines, and medications to remote and difficult-to-reach locations. Equipped with advanced sensors, the Zipline P2 drone can monitor flight conditions and adjust its course as needed. If weather conditions become unsafe or if both engines fail, the drone is designed to deploy a parachute for a safe landing, allowing it to be retrieved later. Upon reaching its destination, the drone uses precision-guided technology to deliver its cargo with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring that critical supplies reach those who need them most. Pavegen generating electricity through walking in Japan. In Japan, electricity is being generated in an unexpected way, simply by people walking. In the bustling streets of Tokyo, special black tiles developed by Pavegen have been installed along many pedestrian pathways. Every time someone steps on these tiles, kinetic energy from the footstep is captured and converted into electricity, contributing to the city's power supply. This is made possible through Pavegen technology. Amazingly, just one step can generate enough electricity to power up to 10 light bulbs for 20 seconds. This forward-thinking approach to energy production is now being adopted in other countries around the world, particularly in Europe. Some are even installing these energy-harvesting tiles on football fields and playgrounds, where constant movement ensures maximum energy generation. Aqara U200 Smart Lock. Can you guess what this device is for? First, attach the backplate to your lock and secure it with screws. Then, insert your regular key and snap on the housing, tightening it into place. After that, slide in the battery and sync it with your phone. You can unlock your door with a button click or use the connected keypad for code or fingerprint access. You can also generate one-time passwords for guests or deliveries and recharge via USB-C. For remote control, the Aqara Hub connects to the internet, allowing you to unlock the door from anywhere. How luggage security scanners work. Ever wondered how airport security scanners can see through your luggage? When your bag passes through the scanner, high-energy X-rays are used to penetrate your belongings. These X-rays are absorbed by different materials at varying rates, creating a clear image for security officers. Metal and dense materials absorb more X-rays, appearing darker on the screen, while items like plastics and clothing absorb less, showing up in lighter shades. The scanner then generates an image using 3 colors: orange for organic materials, green for inorganic materials, and blue for metals. This allows security officers to easily identify different objects inside your luggage. However, larger electronic devices like laptops need to be removed because their complex structure, containing metal parts, batteries, and circuit boards, can absorb most of the X-rays, making it harder to see other items clearly. This can obscure the scan, leading to potential safety risks. As we've seen today, technology is pushing boundaries and redefining the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. From harnessing the energy beneath our feet to changing the way we see our digital workspace, the future is closer than we think. Which of these innovations excites you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next deep dive into the world of innovation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.